Hi, thanks for watching the Invites Dashboard video walkthrough for the ISSA show North America Virtual 2020. Today I'll be walking you through your dashboard and offering some best practices for sharing your custom marketing collateral. Always, if you have any questions, please reach out to us directly by clicking the link here. We'd be happy to help. Let's begin. The first thing you'll want to do when you access your dashboard is to go to the Edit My Information tile. This information is used to populate your custom marketing collateral, so feel free to update anything you'd like. One thing to note here, we recommend you keep your logo or headshot no larger than 250 pixels width and height, and it could take up to 30 minutes for your updated information to show up live on your collateral, so don't be too concerned if it doesn't immediately change. Also, make sure to click Update at the bottom right once you're done, so that everything saves. Moving on. The first piece of marketing collateral you have available to you is the landing page. This is essentially a mini website that's customized for the event and for you, and is entirely unique to you. You can see what your full page looks like by clicking on the page preview. Or you can also click Copy to Clipboard and then paste that URL into your browser. To share your landing page, you have two options. Copy to Clipboard and paste that link wherever you'd like to share it. One excellent place to share this link is in your email signature. Or you can also click Share, which will link you directly to social media sites including LinkedIn, Twitter, or Facebook. The second piece of marketing collateral you have available to you is the email invite. If you would like to preview your invite, click the drop-down arrow and select Preview Invite. To share your email invite, you have two options. Select Send Invites and send your email directly through your partner dashboard. A couple of things to note here. You can either send a single invite or send to a list of emails that you upload yourself. The list that you upload is private to you, so Feather and the ISSA show will not have access to see your leads and/or customers. Also, the time that shows up in the dashboard is UTC time, so make sure to make the appropriate time difference calculations when scheduling your emails, depending on where you're located. Your second option for sending your email invite is to send through your own email platform, such as MailChimp or Constant Contact. To do this, you can click the drop-down arrow and select Export Invite. You can then import that file into your email platform and send your emails to your network. The last piece of marketing collateral available to you are banners. These are meant to be placed on your website, social media pages, or in your email signature. There are two options for sharing these banners. Select the Copy HTML to Clipboard button and then paste that HTML code into the back end of your website or really anywhere that uses HTML. That code should render the image you see here, and when clicked, will redirect people to the ISSA show North America Virtual 2020 website to register. The second option for sharing your banners is to simply right-click on the banner you'd like to share and save it as an image. You can then upload that image wherever you'd like to share it. A couple of things to keep in mind with this option. Because you would be sharing a still image, it loses its ability to be clicked and redirect people to the ISSA show North America Virtual 2020 website. And for this reason, we recommend that you share your unique landing page link along with your still banner image so that people have somewhere to click to learn more about you and the event. After your marketing collateral, there is also a tile called the Exhibitor Portal. This will redirect you to the Map Your Show Exhibitor Portal, where you can log in and gather more information about your virtual booth. I hope this helps, but if you do have any additional questions, please reach out to us by clicking the link here. Have a wonderful rest of your day.